Hey guys, welcome. So more leaked photos of another new model of the Mavic line of drones was just released called the Mavic Enterprise. The word Enterprise implies this model will be used for commercial purposes. And so these two attachments will have some commercial money-making applications. There's no other information on what these attachments do other than that they are detachable because of the thumb screw that is visible at the rear. In the previously leaked photo of the Mavic 2, first correctly named here as such here on this channel versus the Mavic Pro 2, you'll see that the Mavic Enterprise has a different looking camera than the Mavic 2. Could this in fact be the much desired 1-inch sensor? And you'll also see what looks very much like the Mavic Air, and it simply could be the same Mavic Air, but why is it even in the shot? Perhaps it may be a new model called the Mavic Air Pro. And finally, this photo for the first time is showing what I believe to be a new remote controller. You can see the similar dual antennas just like the Mavic Pro and the Mavic Air, but the control sticks have shiny tips, perhaps brushed aluminum. So to me, it's pretty clear that these leaked photos are purposely released by DJI, especially since the first leaked photo of the Mavic 2 didn't stop the subsequent release of these photos. And it makes even more sense since DJI canceled their release event that was scheduled for this month. So these additional photos will help keep the hype going for a future release event. Alright, so please share your thoughts about what you see in these photos, and be sure to subscribe to be kept informed of other breaking news and insights. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, thanks for listening, happy flying, bye.